And I'm going to give you a quick overview of week 5. Please pay close attention to this. Last week, even though I sent out a video, several of you didn't do the right case study. A couple of you didn't answer all 3 questions. And so I'm getting real picky about giving you credit when you don't do the work. So from here on out, if you do not follow the directions, you will receive a 0 for what you have not done. So make sure you watch this and look and make sure everything that you've done is correct. Okay, so what is due this week? Starting today, you have chapter 9 and 10, which is health insurance and life insurance. And here are 2 YouTube links that'll just give you a very quick overview. You have your Connect work, which is Learn Smart for chapter 9 and 10. You have a quiz for chapters 9 and 10, and you have a financial application problem questions for chapters 9 and 10. Those are due this week. For week 5 is you do have your midterm exam, and it is over chapters 1 through 7, and it is due by Tuesday at 11:55 p.m. So make sure you complete this exam before Tuesday. As I said last week, there is a practice exam in Connect for you to review for the test. It is a timed test. You will have 75 minutes to complete the true-false multiple choice test, and you cannot retake the test. So it is a one-shot only. All right. Thursday, you have discussion board for week 5, and it is from chapter 9, and it is talking about health insurance, and there's also a video posted. I like this one, and I'm anxious to see what your feelings are on this. And the question is, should employers be required to provide employees some type of health insurance coverage, even if it's just a group plan with each employee paying their full premium? Or do you feel it's unfair for the government to force employers to provide health insurance? Again, here's a link to the video that you're going to watch. Remember, you have to have a minimum of 200 words. You have to have a citation in your original post with an APA format. You lose 10 points for word count, 10 points for citation, and 10 points for each day after Thursday if you're late posting. You must reply to 3 classmates with a post of more than "I like your comment." Each post must be around 125 words, and you will lose 10 points for minimum word count and 10 points for each post that you do not answer. That is all due on, or your original is due on Thursday. Your responses are due on Sunday. Also, your case study for week 5. It is in my book on page 342. It's the Real Life Personal Finance. It's life insurance for young marrieds. There's only 2 questions. You are to answer both questions. I've made a copy of it here that you can read. It is also posted in EagleWeb. The questions are posted on one link, and then the scenario is posted on another. This is due by Sunday at 11:55. Remember, this is to have a minimum of 125 words per question. And finally, for this week, I hope you're working on your presentation. I've been going over your presentation for the last couple of weeks. This is your grading rubric. It is in EagleWeb. This is just the first page. There is a second page, but I couldn't get them both on here, for your guidelines for your final presentation. What you must have and what is to be the questions that are asked on each one. So these again are posted in EagleWeb. Make sure that you print this off and that you look at it. So that is a quick overview of this week 5. Get started. Don't wait until Saturday night to start doing your work. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.